how to add music to your Instagram profile. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add a song to your Instagram profile but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Your Instagram profile will open up. Tap on Edit Profile. At the bottom, you will see the music section. Tap on it. Under Profile Song, you will see a plus icon saying pick a song for a profile. Tap on it. You can either browse through the list or search for the music of your choice. For ease, let's use the search feature. Tap on the search bar. Search by the music name. Once you find your desired music, single tap on it to select. Drag the colorful box to the best part of the song you want to feature on your profile. Once you are satisfied, tap on the blue tick to confirm. As you can see, profile song has been selected. Finally, tap on the blue tick at the top right corner. Now go back to your Instagram profile. As you can see, the selected song has been added to my Instagram profile. Similarly, you can add a favorite song here. And boom, you have successfully learned how to add music to your Instagram profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.